transferring information only. Most of the activities in this lesson is transferring information into other forms. According to that, in the textbook, the first activity, not first activity, second activity, we did transferring information activity. Now, today we are going to do the activities in the workbook and textbook. Okay, children, please take a workbook. Here, the first activity, underline the most suitable word that fills the blank. Underline the most suitable word that fills the blank. Okay. First question. Please read the first question, children. One of you.
Kanneliya is an area of blank beauty in Sri Lanka.
In the bracket, 3 answers are given. Natural, naturally, nature. What do you think of this activity?
Natural.
Natural.
The answer is natural. This activity is related to what type of question? Yeah, Kanneli, okay. This is related to word class. Isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
This is related to word class. 3 answers are given in the bracket, but one is noun, verb, and noun, verb, and adjective. Adjective, adverb. All these words are given in the brackets. So we have to select the correct answer. First one, Kanneliya is an area of natural or naturally or nature. Nature beauty in Sri Lanka.
Natural. Natural.
Sri Lanka. Nature, okay. Others?
What?
Other answers? Amma? Nature beauty or natural beauty or naturally beauty?
Natural.
Natural.
Not
Natural.
nature beauty. Can you say nature beauty? Natural. What type of word class is the word natural? Natural is noun. Noun. Very good.
Yeah.
Naturally.
Natural is verb.
Naturally is verb. Nature.
That is adverb. I don't know.
Adverb. I don't know. Mashallah. Okay. Do you have dictionary in your hand now, children?
Yes, teacher.
Do you have now for the moment?
Yes.
Yes, teacher.
Please take the dictionary. Now, I will assign you this work little later. We will do this little later because it will take time. Now we will move to activity 2. Okay. And you have a lesson in the lesson textbook also. After explaining that, we will do activity 1. And now we are moving to activity 2. Natural is not verb. Natural means adjective. Naturally adverb. And nature is noun. Please note it down, children. I will explain after that. We are having a lesson. After explaining that, we will do that activity. Here, write meaningful sentences using the activity 2 in your workbook. Write meaningful sentences using the following words you have learned in the lesson Kanneliya. The lesson we studied from the textbook Kanneliya, we studied some of the new vocabularies, I think. Did we?
Yes.
Yes, teacher. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
What
teacher.
are the words given here?
Biodiversity.
Biodiversity, vegetation, cascade, hiking, deforestation.
Cascade, hiking, and deforestation. Did we study these words?
Yes.
Yes.
We did an activity, matching activity. Words
Yeah.
and meanings were given and we matched that. Biodiversity mean what?
Many species living in a one
Species.
place. Species
Many
of organisms.
Variety of species.
living in a region. Vegetation.
Vegetation means planting.
Plants taken collectively.
Vegetation means a lot of plants living in an area. Cascade.
Small waterfall.
Waterfall.
Waterfall. And hiking.
Uh, Walking around.
Walking in the
Walking
countryside.
walking
Population
around
of
Yeah, for the forest, walking for a long area. Next one, deforestation.
The process of
destroying
deforestation of forest.
Destroying
forest.
forest is
Destroying forest.
deforestation. So please, can you tell me, can you construct sentences for these words, each words? I will call one by naming you. Please tell me some sentences. Huh? Or from your side, you can say biodiversity. From your side, you say 1 or 2 children. Construct a sentence. Very good. Another one.
Vegetation.
No, I'm giving chance for the other children also. 1 or 2 children, you can tell me construct some sentences using the word biodiversity.
Sri Lanka is a country rich in biodiversity.
Very good. Sri Lanka is a country with lot of rich in biodiversity. Very good. Next one, the next word, vegetation. Other 2 children can construct sentences.
There is a little vegetation in the cities.
There are little vegetation in city areas. Very good. Next one.
Give water to the vegetation lands in the forest.
Many
Streams.
streams give
Uh,
vegetation. Keep the vegetation.
Give
We
the
can say.
water to help vegetation in the forest.
Keep the vegetation greenish. Many streams gives water to greenish vegetation. Okay, very good. Yeah. Next one. Cascade. Children. Cascade. Cascade means small waterfalls.
Stream create the beautiful cascade.
Yeah. Stream, small, no. Cascades only creating the streams, no?
Yes, teacher.
I was admired with the beauty of cascade. Can't you say? In the evening time, I was admired with the beauty of cascades. From your side, one sentence, please. என்னடி நீங்க தான் அழகா வசனங்களா வர்ணிச்சு அமைப்பீங்களே.
Fresh water is poured from a cascade.
Water is poured from cascades. Very good. Next
By
one.
the high
hiking.
waterfalls, the beautiful cascades are created.
Once again, dear Sadia. From high.
From the high waterfall,
Yeah.
many beautiful cascades are created in the forests.
Yeah, many cascades are formed from
Forests.
formed in
in
the
forest.
forest. Very good. Formed in forest. Next one, hiking.
We spent last afternoon around the lake.
Once again, dear, couldn't hear properly your sentence.
We spent last afternoon by hiking around the lake.
Very good. We spend our last evening hiking in the forest. Okay, very good. Another one. Hazira, others are keeping quiet. Come on, children.
In the weekends, we go to hiking.
During weekend, we plan to go to Kannelia for hiking purpose. That of course you can
Hiking.
say. Yeah,
I
hiking.
feel very relieved after going for a hiking.
I felt very
Relieved after.
relieved after going for hiking. Very good. Next, another one.
Hiking is an outdoor activity which gives pleasure.
Very good. Hiking is an outdoor activity which gives Sarah. Okay, very good, children. Next one, deforestation.
Deforestation has may arise nowadays and forest converts to cities.
I couldn't hear your sentence here once again.
Deforestation has may arise nowadays and forest converts to
Yeah.
cities.
Deforestation has aroused and cities.
Forest converts to city.
Forest converted into cities. Yeah, lot of cities are converted. Lot of forests are converted into cities nowadays. Very good. Another one.
Nowadays, due to deforestation, we are facing lack of rain.
Lack of rain. Due to deforestation, we face lack of rain. Okay. Now we are going to move to the next activity. Children, please do construct sentences. Everyone should do this activity. Don't say, teacher, I don't have book. Now we are moving to the next activity. Activity 3. Use the details about Singharaja rainforest and write a paragraph about it. I told you earlier, all the activities we will do using the information, we will transfer information into other forms. This activity, of course, that sort of activity. Activity 3. Singharaja rainforest. Earlier, we studied a paragraph about Kannelya and we prepared a chart like this in the textbook. Did we do, children?
Yeah,
Did we do that? Yeah, in the textbook, we did the same activity. Location, we found the location of Kannelya in the chart. Distance from Colombo or main city, importance, attractions, and best time to visit. Same like that. Here it is given to write about Singharaja rainforest. In that, what will you write? What are the information given? Location is given. It is Sabaragamuwa in southern provinces. That means this located Singharaja rainforest is located in 2 provinces. Kannelya It was located only in one district, but here it located in 2 provinces. What are the 2 provinces?
Sabaragamuwa and Southern Province.
Sabaragamu and Southern provinces. Area of this
88
kilometers square.
88 square kilometers. What are the importance about the Singharaja rainforest?
That's a national
It's
park,
a
area of
national
high
park.
heritage site.
Holds 3 main importance. It's a national park. That is one important thing. Next one, area of high biodiversity. Singharaja rainforest is area of high biodiversity, and it is World Heritage Site also. Wildlife. What are the wildlife are there included in that? Trees are there, lot of trees are there,
and mammals.
insects are there,
Amphibians.
amphibians are there,
Amphibians,
reptiles are there, birds are there, and mammals also living in that. Lot of wildlife are living in Singharaja rainforest. Using the given information, can you construct sentences? You don't want to construct sentences, a paragraph. Please write a paragraph. Can you?
Yes.
yes,
Yes,
teacher.
Inshallah, I am assigning this activity. It will take only 20 minutes. If you want, you can find some ideas from internet, of course, you can get, and write a small, nice paragraph. Starting should be there for the writing part, as well as good ending also should be there. Okay, children, please make yourself in prepare writing paragraphs like that. If your planning is to take A pass in English, earlier I said many children they fail in to get A pass in English. Very clever children because of their writing. So please, using this, write your paragraph. Now activity 4. The same activity, same type of activity. Here, you are requested to do find information about a historical or religious place in Sri Lanka and fill in the grid. In this chart, you are going to write about, you have to write the information as well as you have to write the paragraph. A small area is given to write. Within that, you can complete writing. Okay? Location. If you, for example, if you are a historical place, for example, if you are taking Sigiriya, what is the location of it? You have to write the location of Sigiriya. Distance from Colombo. What are the importance in Sigiriya? For example, I am telling attraction. What are the attractions are there in Sigiriya? Sigiriya, it's a tourist area, no? Tourist, most of the tourists visit that area. So what are the attractions? And best time to visit? You have to do these 2 activities I am assigning you as homework. Now we are moving to activity 6 in your workbook. No, now we will move to textbook activity because the grammar part is there. We have to do that. After that, we can do these activities. Please take your textbook, children. In your textbook, read
From Colombo, we want to travel 4 hours to go to Polna.
4 hours
have
we
to
want to
travel
spend.
from Colombo 4 hours. Okay, next one.
The second capital of Sri Lanka after destruction of Anuradhapura.
Yes. I explained that also. Okay, next one. The monumental ruins of the fabulous garden city, created by King Paragramabahu first in the 12th century. What is monumental ruins mean?
நினைவு சின்னம்.
நினைவு சின்ன இடிபாடுகள். Ruins means
இடிபாடு.
சிதைவுகள்.
இடிபாடுகள். நாங்க பழைய பில்டிங்ஸ் போய் பார்க்கிற நேரம் அந்த இடிபாடுகள் வந்து எங்களுக்கு முக்கியமானது ஒன்று தானே. So it's fabulous garden of the fabulous garden city. King Paragramabahu first created a fabulous garden. So its monumental ruins you can see there if you go to Polannarve. Next one. The Lanka Tilaka Vihara, an enormous brick structure which has preserved a colossal image of Buddha. Colossal image mean? What do you mean by colossal image?
கொலசல் மீன் பிரம்மாண்டமான.
பிரமாண்டமான
பிரம்மாண்டமான
புத்தாட பிரமாண்டமான உருவங்களை கொண்ட சிலைகள் எல்லாம் என்ன செஞ்சிருக்குதாம்? ஒரு பிரிக் ஸ்ட்ரக்சர். பிரிக் மீன் வாட்?
செங்கல்
செங்கல். செங்கலால் ஒரு பில்டிங் ஒன்று ஸ்ட்ரக்சர் ஒன்று கட்டி அதுக்குள்ள அழகா பிரிசர்வ்ட். பிரிசர்வ்ட் மீன் பாதுகாப்பாக வைக்கப்பட்டிருக்கிறது. லார்ட் புத்தாட கொலசல் இமேஜ் பிரமாண்டமான இமேஜ வந்து பாதுகாப்பா அந்த செங்கல் இதுக்குள்ள வச்சுக்கிறாங்க. அப்ப நீங்க அங்க போனாக்கா லங்கா திலக விஹாரைக்கு அப்படின்னு சொல்லி ஒரு விஹாரம் இருக்குது. அங்க போயிட்டு உங்களுக்கு புலனர்வை போனா லங்கா திலக விஹாரைக்கு போயிட்டு இப்படியான ஒரு விஷயத்த பார்க்கலாம். நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன். The Galvihara.
Galvihara with
With its gigantic rock sculptures. Gigantic mean
சிலைகள் சிற்பங்கள்
the same enormous. Gigantic, enormous எல்லாத்துக்கும் ஒரே மீனிங் தான். Sculpture.
சிலைகள் சிற்பங்கள்
சிற்பங்கள் சிலைகள் ரொக்குல காணப்படுகின்ற பிரமாண்டமான சிலைகளை வந்து நீங்க எங்க போய் பார்க்கலாம்? Where can you see?
Galvihara.
Galvihara in Polannarve. If you go to Galvihara in Polannarve, you can see these rock sculptures. கல்லுல செதுக்கப்பட்ட சிற்பங்களை பிரமாண்டமான சிற்பங்களை உங்களுக்கு பார்வை இடையிலும். Next one. The Tivanga pilgrimage. Tivanga pilgrimage, where wall paintings of the 13th century illustrate the Jataka stories. 13வது நூற்றாண்டு காலத்துல உள்ள ஜாதக ஸ்டோரிஸ் எங்க போயிட்டு பார்க்கலாம் உங்களுக்கு? Paintings.
Tivanga pilgrimage.
திவங்க பிலிமேஜுக்கு போனீங்கன்னு சொன்னா அங்க உள்ள அந்த 13வது செஞ்சுரியில உள்ள ஜாதக ஸ்டோரிஸ் அவ்வளோத்தையுமே படங்கள் மூலம் இல்லஸ்ட்ரேட்ஸ் காட்டுது. படங்கள் மூலம் கதைகளை சொல்லக்கூடிய ஜாதக ஸ்டோரிஸ் உங்களுக்கு பார்க்கலாம். நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன்.
Irrigation system.
Paragrama Samudra, an excellent creation of our irrigation system. Irrigation system நீர்ப்பாசன திட்டத்துல வந்து எக்ஸலன்ட் கிரியேஷன் ஒன்று இருக்குதாம். அது பொலனறுவையில தான். அது எங்க பொலனறுவையில எங்க போனாங்க அதை பார்க்கலாம். Paragrama Samudra போனா if you go to Paragrama Samudra you can see excellent creation of irrigation system. Yeah, Polannarve is famous for these types of things. Now we are moving to the next activity, activity 5. Work in pairs. Imagine you are a tourist. Okay? You have to imagine that you are a tourist interested in visiting beautiful places in Sri Lanka. There are a lot of visiting places for the tourists. So you are a tourist. After reading the articles, you decide to visit one of the places. 3 places are given here, no? After reading these things, you are planning to visit one of these areas. Work with your partner to write the telephone conversation you will have with a travel agency. if you are coming from foreign, you have to contact with the travel agency. So you are going to have a conversation with the travel agency regarding the trip you are going to have and exit out. Inshallah, we will do this activity after you returning to Mecca. If you are able to do, you can then, inshallah, tomorrow in the class, you can, 2 children, you can do a conversation. Can you do? Or we will do this after returning to Mecca.
After returning to the
After, we will do
If
after
you can
returning to
contact